Why am I looking at you? You're a...
All right. That's Matthew McConnell. Hey, everybody. This is Brandon, and this is the first episode of Mathroom, where I do math problems on a bathroom mirror. So this is coronavirus stuff. So we've been talking a lot about social distancing. So I thought it'd be cool to talk about the distance on triangles, specifically these kinds of triangles. So up here I've got an equiangular, I've got a right triangle, and I've got a scalene triangle. Also, you could say equilateral. You could say isosceles or acute and obtuse. So you got these triangles, and there's different things about them that you can know. So specifically, I want to talk about this guy, right triangles. So with right triangles, hold on, there's some really cool stuff that you can know, particularly if you do know this side and you do know this side, then you can figure out this side through something called the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Get a good look at that. That's good. Okay, so pretty much the CDC and people, science say that you need to be 6 feet away from other people. Hold on. It's better. So you have to be 6 feet away from other people. And if you're 6 feet away from other people, then you're safer from getting this corona. So we'll say you and your friends are in a right triangle setting in your living room, and this is the couch, and this is the chair, and this is the floor, because you don't have more than that in your room. So if you want to be 6 feet away from this person, and you want to be 6 feet away from this person, see that? We're 6 feet away from each. I want to know, if we're in a right triangle, how far am I? That's a question mark. From this one to this one. You find out real easy because you have, this is called a leg, this is called a leg, and then this long side is called a hypotenuse. Okay? And in our Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse, or the longest side, is always this one, and the other two are this one and this one. So you just fill in the numbers. So I got a number here, and there's another there. And so you have 6 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So the square number, you just times it, multiply it by itself, and you get 6 times 6 is 36, and then 6 times 6 again, that's 36. And then what you do is you make that equal c squared. 36 plus 36 through, there it is better, through addition is going to be 72, and 72 will equal c squared. But hey, we don't want to know c squared, we want to know c. So like c squared is not super helpful right now, so we want to get rid of the square, which is what people say to me a lot. So we want to get rid of the square, and how we do that is we find the square root. Square root is the opposite of a square, so you do the opposite of it and it gets rid of it, and then it's gone. So that's gone. But if I get the square of this side, square root of this side, I have to find the square root of this side. And so now I'm looking for the square root of 72. That's the guy. So the square root of 72 is about, it's not exact, it's just an approximate 8.5. So to be safe and to be sure and to be healthy, if you're 6 feet from your friend on the chair and you're on the couch, and you're 6 feet from your friend on the floor, and so then you're in the chair and your friend on the floor, you need to be 8.5 feet about from them if you want to be safe. And so that's the Pythagorean theorem, and that's called social distancing, and it's really safe and good. And Thanks for this episode listening on Mathroom, and I'll catch you next time.
Why am I looking at